10 reasons to visit Bergerac, France. Nestled along the banks of the Dordogne River, Bergerac is a jewel of southwestern France, full of rich history, exquisite wines, and vibrant local life. Whether you're a fan of literature, food, wine, or scenic strolls, Bergerac offers something for everyone. During the last couple of years, Bergerac has, in our opinion, turned into a real welcoming tourist destination, with the restoration of the old market building, the new Dordonha museum, a lot of cool street art, and many new boutiques, cafes, and restaurants. Here are our list of 10 reasons to visit Bergerac, and at the end of this video, an absolute must-visit attraction just outside the city. 1. Serrano de Bergerac statues, a nod to a legendary character. For many, the first you think of when hearing the name Bergerac is the story about Serrano de Bergerac. Although the real Serrano never lived in Bergerac, the fictional swashbuckling poet made the town famous. At Place Pellissier, you'll find one of 2 statues dedicated to him, a proud symbol of the town's connection to literature and theatrical flair. It's a perfect photo opportunity and a charming introduction to Bergerac's identity. The other statue of Serrano stands in the peaceful Place de la Murpie, surrounded by benches, greenery, restaurants, and classic Dordonha architecture. It's a beautiful square, perfect for resting your feet and soaking in the atmosphere. Two, Bergerac City Sign, Quai Salvet. A popular spot for selfies and photos, the Bergerac City sign on the Quai Salvet is right by the river, offering scenic views with the town name boldly displayed, a nice memento of your visit. Three, the Port and les Gabarres de Bergerac. By the port, close to Vieux Pont, the picturesque old bridge spanning the Dordon, you can board a traditional gabar, a flat-bottomed boat once used to transport wine and goods. These boat rides provide a peaceful way to take in the riverbanks, vineyards, and medieval architecture that line the Dordon. Quai Serrano, the heart of wine and information. Quai Serrano is both a tourism office and a wine-tasting haven. Housed in a beautiful historic building with a panoramic terrace, it's the perfect place to learn about local vineyards, plan your excursions, and sample Bergerac's acclaimed wines, from dry whites to the famous Mbazilac. The ground floor houses the tourist office and a souvenir shop. One floor up you will find the wine area with a large selection of wine to buy or taste from the bar. you can test your smelling skills and try to identify different aromas. You can enjoy your wine samples both on the panoramic terrace overlooking the port or in the beautiful cloister backyard right outside the wine shop. Five. The Old Town, cobbled charm and local life. Lose yourself in the Old Town with its half-timbered houses, flower-bedecked balconies, and winding alleys. Here you'll discover artisan shops, cozy cafes, and intimate restaurants serving authentic Périgord cuisine like duck confit, walnut cake, and foie gras. The Old Town is located between the port and the main street, Rue de la Resistance by the cathedral. Six. Dordonha, Cultural and Heritage Centre including Musée Costi. Located in Bergerac's Old Town, Dordonha is a beautifully restored heritage building with an open central courtyard, which opened in 2023. The vaulted cellars house the Musée Costi, featuring nearly 60 graceful sculptures by Constantine Costi Papachristopoulos. Upstairs, interactive exhibits tell the story of Bergerac and its connection to the Dordogne River. Temporary art exhibitions and educational displays rotate throughout the year. The on-site Café des Musées offers refreshments in a relaxed setting, both inside or in the open courtyard. With its blend of art, history, and architecture, Dordonha is a must-visit cultural stop in the heart of the city. Admission is free. Seven. Bergerac Market, feast for the senses. Every Saturday, the town centre comes alive with the Bergerac Market. Locals and visitors mingle while browsing stalls overflowing with fresh produce, cheese, pastries, and regional delicacies, as well as a wide selection of fabrics, handbags, and handmade art and crafts. It's a lively, colourful experience not to be missed. Eight. Halle de Bergerac, Covered Market Hall. If you are not here on a Saturday market, you can still find great produce in Halle de Bergerac, the covered market, which hosts both food and craft stalls throughout the week and is a hub of local life. The beautiful restored building and surrounding area was finished in 2023 and has lifted the whole area with new bars and cafes. Its elegant metal structure and central location make it easy to find, and inside you'll discover everything from truffle products to local wines which you can both buy or sample while relaxing at the tables under the covered roof outside. Shopping in Bergerac, from Main Street to hidden gems. Whether you're strolling Rue de la Resistance, the main shopping street, or exploring the narrow medieval lanes branching off it, Bergerac offers plenty of shopping delights. Look for arts and crafts shops, old toy shops, local wine stores, and boutiques selling handmade soaps, textiles, and gourmet products. Église Notre Dame, a quiet beacon of beauty. The imposing Église Notre Dame is a neo-Gothic church completed in the 19th century. Its spire can be seen from across town, and inside you'll find stained glass windows and peaceful ambience, a perfect place for a quiet moment of reflection. And if you miss the buzzing world outside, you will find parts of the Saturday market earlier described surrounding the church. As an extra treat, we also recommend a destination right outside Bergerac, which is a must-visit. Chateau de Mbazilac, sweet wine and sweeping views. Just a short drive from Bergerac lies Mbazilac, famous for its luscious dessert wine and stunning chateau. The Chateau offers tours, tastings, and panoramic views over the Bergerac vineyards and Dordogne Valley. By the entrance, you can experience an interactive exhibition with both the history and production process of the famous Mbazilac sweet wine. Here are also a wine tasting area and a huge wine shop offering both their own wines and a selection of wine from the area, as well as souvenirs and local produce. From the entrance building you reach the castle by a short stroll through some vines. Inside, the castle offers some exhibition as well as the chance to explore the many rooms, including both the main dining room, the sleeping quarters, and even the dungeon. From the park outside, you can enjoy the beautiful views over the Dordogne Valley from the small cafe. In addition to this famous castle, many domain wineries in the surrounding area of Bergerac offer tastings, cellar tours, and the chance to meet winemakers. It is possible to rent a bike and follow marked routes through the vineyards for a scenic and relaxing day trip. This concludes our reason to visit list of Bergerac. We hope you find our recommendations useful. If you have any other suggestions, don't hesitate to use the comments field below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel by pressing the logo.